Most people try to organize their life across dozens of different apps. Their tasks are in one place, their goals somewhere else, finances in another tool, and notes scattered everywhere. And even worse, many people set goals, but never actually follow through. The result is chaos, lost focus, and a constant feeling of being behind. What if your entire life could run inside one structured system? A system that helps you stay organized, focused, and motivated every single day. That's exactly what the Notion Life Planner is designed to do. The Notion Life Planner is a complete life operating system built inside Notion. Instead of managing your life across multiple tools, everything lives inside one structured workspace. Your goals, habits, projects, finances, workouts, learning progress, travel plans, and even your daily schedule. Everything is connected, organized, and customizable. The system is designed to give you three things most people struggle with: structure, focus, and consistent execution. Before we dive into the details, let's take a quick look at the overall structure of the template. The system is built around a central management dashboard. From there, you can access your life zones, your goals, tasks, finances, CRM, and many other tools. Each part of your life has its own dedicated space, but everything stays connected through databases and relations. The entire planner is structured into what I call life zones. Instead of mixing everything together, your life is divided into clearly defined areas. For example, God and faith, sport and nutrition, personal development, leisure time, and work. Each life zone contains tools and databases specifically designed for that area. This structure makes it much easier to stay organized and focused. Let's start with the main control center, the management dashboard. This is the first page you'll see when opening the system. Here you get a quick overview of the most important areas of your life and access to the tools you'll use most often. At the top of the dashboard, you'll find the Life Zones section. This area tracks your progress in every major part of your life. Each life zone collects points as you complete goals related to that area. As you collect more points, the level of that life zone increases, similar to a progression system in a game. In the upper left corner, you'll find the sidebar. From here, you can navigate between the different life zones, perform quick actions on the current page, and access all databases used in that section. This makes it easy to move through the system and create new entries without leaving the page. Below the sidebar, you'll see the time progress section. This area shows how many days remain in important time periods such as the current week, month, quarter, and more. Each entry includes a name, a date range, and the number of days remaining. For example, the retirement date can be customized by clicking on Date Range under the retirement entry and selecting your desired retirement date. Above the Time Progress section, you'll find the Time Reset buttons. When a time period ends, you can quickly reset the counters by pressing the respective button for the week, month, or quarter. For longer periods such as the year or decade, you can simply adjust the date range manually. Under the Life Zones section, you'll find Today's Schedule. This section automatically displays the activities scheduled for the current day. The data comes from the weekly schedule database where you define the activity, the time, and the days it occurs. The system then automatically filters the schedule to show only what's relevant for today. Next are the Goals and Tasks sections. Here you can create new goals, assign them to a life zone, set deadlines, and define the tasks required to achieve them. To link tasks to a goal, simply create a new group in the Tasks section and select the goal you want to work on. You can then add as many tasks as necessary to complete that goal. Sometimes it may take a moment for a newly created goal to appear in the selection list. For daily motivation, the dashboard also includes a quotes database and an embedded Spotify playlist. The quotes section can display your favorite quotes from movies, books, or other sources. And the Spotify embed allows you to listen to music while working inside the system. You'll also find a small CRM section showing your favorite contacts. This section displays important information such as the contact's name, group, phone number, email address, and their upcoming birthday. Below that, you'll find the Finance Tracker. This system manages your accounts, transactions, subscriptions, and financial goals. Whenever you record a transaction, the system automatically updates the current balance of the corresponding account. The Financial Goals section allows you to define priorities, track how much money has already been collected, set deadlines, and monitor the progress toward your target amount. To the right side, you'll find a sidebar with quick actions for the Finance Tracker. These buttons allow you to quickly add new transactions, accounts, or financial goals. At the bottom of the page, you'll find the shopping list. Here you can enter products, specify their category and supermarket, and define the quantity needed. Once you've purchased an item, you can simply check it off the list. Next, let's take a look at the God and Faith Life Zone. If you're not religious, feel free to skip this section using the timestamps below. This section is designed to help you document and strengthen your spiritual life. Here you can track sermons you've listened to, your personal quiet time, prayers, dreams, and Bible verses you want to remember. In the upper right corner, you'll see the sidebar. Just like on other pages, the sidebar allows you to navigate between life zones, perform quick actions, and access all databases connected to this page. The first section is the Sermons database. Here you can store and organize sermons you've listened to. For each sermon, you can write notes, save key Bible verses, and document the most important insights. This allows you to revisit important teachings and reflect on them later. Next is the Quiet Time section. This is where you can document your personal time with God. Each entry can include notes, reflections, prayer requests, and Bible verses you studied during that session. This makes it possible to look back and see how prayers have been answered over time, which can be a powerful source of encouragement. The praying section allows you to document your spoken prayers. You can write down your prayer requests, your conversations with God, and later mark prayers that have been answered. The Dreams section is designed to record visionary dreams or spiritual impressions. You can document the dream itself, your interpretation of it, and track whether it was fulfilled later on. The Bible verses section helps you collect verses you want to memorize or reflect on. You can store the verse, its reference, and your personal notes about it. The purpose of the God and Faith Life Zone is to create a dedicated space for spiritual growth. Instead of letting meaningful thoughts or insights disappear, you can document them, reflect on them, and revisit them over time. Next, let's take a look at the Sport and Nutrition Life Zone. This section is designed to help you organize and track your physical health. Here you can plan your meals, structure your workouts, and document your training progress. In the upper right corner, you'll find the sidebar. Just like on the other pages, the sidebar allows you to navigate between life zones, perform quick actions, and access all databases used in this section. The first section is the Nutrition Schedule. This tool allows you to plan and track your meals. You can organize your meals for each day and easily see what you plan to eat. There are different views available. For example, the Today view shows the meals planned for the current day, while the Week view displays your entire weekly nutrition plan. Next is the Exercise Plan. This is where you can structure your workouts. You can define exercises, organize them into training sessions, and create a clear workout routine. This allows you to build a consistent training program and clearly see which exercises belong to which workout. You can add more exercises in the exercise database. Below the exercise plan, you'll find the workout logbook. This database is used to document completed training sessions. For each workout, you can record what exercises you performed and track your progress over time. By combining the exercise plan with the workout logbook, the system helps you stay consistent with your training. You can plan your workouts in advance and then log the sessions once they are completed. The goal of this life zone is to create a structured system for your physical health. By planning your nutrition and workouts in advance and documenting your progress, you can stay consistent and continuously improve your performance. Next, let's explore the Personal Development Life Zone. This section is designed to help you continuously grow as a person. It brings together tools for habit building, learning new skills, tracking progress, and documenting personal achievements. Instead of relying on scattered notes or separate apps, everything related to your personal growth is organized in one structured place. In the upper right corner, you'll see the sidebar. Just like on other pages, the sidebar allows you to navigate between life zones, perform quick actions, and access all databases connected to this page. The first section is the Life Plan. This tool helps you define your long-term vision and structure your life according to your values and goals. It is inspired by the concept presented in the book Living Forward, where you design your life intentionally rather than drifting without direction. Here you can outline your priorities, your personal mission, and the direction you want your life to take. Next is the Habit Tracker. This system helps you build consistent habits that support your personal development. The tracker follows a simple 21-day structure. Each habit contains a daily checkbox, allowing you to track whether you completed the habit for that day. Once you complete all 21 days, the habit can be marked as completed. The Language Learning section helps you organize the languages you are currently learning. You can track your progress in areas such as vocabulary, grammar, or general proficiency. This gives you a structured overview of the languages you are studying and how far you have progressed. Complementing the language learning system is the Language Practice Log. This database allows you to document every learning session. For each session, you can record what you practiced and how long you studied. Over time, this creates a clear record of your learning consistency. The Challenges section is designed to keep you motivated. Here you can define personal challenges that push you outside your comfort zone. These challenges can be anything from fitness challenges to learning challenges or productivity experiments. The Learning Hub helps you track the skills you want to develop. You can define specific skills, organize learning resources, and track your progress over time. This allows you to build a structured system for acquiring new knowledge and improving your abilities. The Success Journal is a place to document your achievements and positive moments. Here you can record milestones, breakthroughs, and personal wins. The purpose of the Personal Development Life Zone is to give your growth a clear structure. Instead of relying on motivation alone, the system helps you track habits, learning, and progress over time. This makes it much easier to stay consistent and continuously improve. Next, let's explore the Leisure Time Life Zone. This section is dedicated to the experiences and activities that bring enjoyment and balance to your life. Here you can plan travels, track the media you consume, and organize personal goals such as places you want to visit or experiences you want to have. In the upper right corner, you'll see the sidebar. Just like on other pages, the sidebar allows you to navigate between life zones, perform quick actions, and access all databases connected to this page. The first section is the World Planner. This database contains every country in the world and allows you to track your travel experiences. For each country, you can define its status, add ratings, and document personal notes about your experiences there. Next is the Travel Plans section. This is where you can organize individual trips, vacations, or travel projects. Each travel plan can include destinations, notes, planning details, and can also be connected to the World Planner. This allows you to link specific trips to the countries you plan to visit. The My Leisure Time section helps you keep track of the entertainment content you consume. This includes books, movies, TV shows, audiobooks, videos, or live streams. You can mark whether you have already watched or read something, so you are currently consuming it or want to experience it in the future. This creates a personal library of all the content that has influenced or entertained you. The Bucket List section is where you define experiences or goals you want to achieve during your lifetime. The system includes views such as this year, allowing you to focus on the experiences you want to accomplish in the near future. The purpose of this life zone is to ensure that your life is not only productive, but also meaningful and enjoyable. By tracking experiences, travel plans, and entertainment, you create a record of the moments that make life memorable. Next, let's take a look at the Work Life Zone. This section helps you organize everything related to your professional life. It allows you to manage companies or jobs you are involved with, as well as the projects connected to them. In the upper right corner, you'll see the sidebar. Just like on other pages, the sidebar allows you to navigate between life zones, perform quick actions, and access all databases connected to this page. The first section is the Projects database. This is where you manage the actual work that needs to be done. Each project can be connected to a specific company or job using relations. This makes it easy to see which projects belong to which professional role. This structure allows you to keep your professional activities organized without losing the overview. The second section is the Companies and Jobs database. Here you can store all organizations or professional roles that are relevant to your career. This can include companies you currently work for, past employers, freelance clients, or even potential future opportunities. The system is flexible enough to also treat studying as a professional role. Each entry can contain additional information such as notes, contacts, or other relevant details. The purpose of the Work-Life Zone is to give your professional life a clear structure. Instead of spreading projects, notes, and career planning across multiple tools, everything is organized in one place. This helps you stay focused, organized, and productive in your professional journey. Now that you've seen all life zones, let's talk about one of the most powerful aspects of this system: customization. The Notion Life Planner is not a rigid system. Every part of this template can be modified to match your personal workflow. For example, you can easily add your own databases. This allows you to expand the system with new tools that fit your lifestyle. You are also not limited to the existing life zones. You can create completely new areas of life and integrate them into the system. For example, you could add life zones like creativity, family, or any other area that is important to you. Another powerful feature is that every element can be replaced. If you prefer a different habit tracker, task manager, or learning system, you can simply swap it out. This means the system grows with you and adapts to your personal preferences. You can also integrate other templates you purchase or build yourself. This makes the Notion Life Planner compatible with almost any Notion workflow. Even the visual design can be customized. You can change icons, cover images, and the overall visual style of the system. This allows you to personalize the planner so it feels like your own system. In short, this template is designed as a flexible foundation. You can use it as it is or expand and adapt it as your life evolves. So who is this system designed for? The Notion Life Planner is built for people who want to take control of their life and create structure across different areas. It is especially useful for students, entrepreneurs, freelancers, creators, and professionals. The idea behind this planner is simple. Your life has many areas, and each of them deserves attention. If you want to stop feeling overwhelmed and finally organize your life in one place, this system might be exactly what you're looking for. The full Notion Life Planner is available as a template. This template is available for €29.99 and includes the complete system with all life zones and tools. Or, if you prefer, you can also purchase individual tools separately, such as the Habit Tracker, the Finance Tracker, or other components. The template is available on Gumroad. If you found this walkthrough helpful, feel free to check out the template. And if you enjoyed the video, consider subscribing for more tools and systems like this. Thank you for watching.